Hello, we got this device, Samsung Galaxy A04. The customer told me that the ear speaker is not working. So let's see and check. Remove the SIM card tray. Now we are going to detach the frame from the housing. You can use any plastic piece. We don't need to scratch anything. Now let's remove all the screws from the top side. We are not going to go down, just from the top. Alright, all screws up. Now detach the housing. I'm looking at the ear speaker. The pins is up and not down. So there is maybe no connections between the mainboard and the ear speaker. Let's check if there is some connection in the plastic shield, but there is nothing on the plastic shield. So the ear speaker is reverse or flipped. So we are going to flip it. After that, we are going to test to see if the ear speaker is working again or not. We don't know who made that happen, but we are gonna fix it for the customer. Always be careful when you remove the ear speaker because you may damage it. There is two layer for all ear speaker, so if you go under the middle layer you may damage the ear speaker because there is wires inside, and if you go in the middle you may cut that wire or you make a damage. So this is very sensitive because it make sounds, and the sound should be clear. Oh, it's out. Alright, now we are going to flip it and put it back and test. Let's now make and test the ear speaker. Let's make a dial. Alright. Oh, I can now hear the volume. I'm trying it. Also, everything is clear. So the problem was the ear speaker was flipped. We don't know who caused that, but we fixed it at the end. Now you can put the plastic shield and we are going to assemble it back. Our job has been done. If you have any questions, you can just leave it down in the comments below. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. We will do something else in the next video. Also, don't forget to support the channel with any cents. We have PayPal on the description. Thanks.